Hello everyone. Let us today begin with our fourth period of lesson number 4, Animals Living and Surviving. Before we begin, let us have a quick recap. Animals that spend their time in the air are called as aerial animals. Examples are birds and insects. They have wings instead of front legs. Animals that live in water are called as aquatic animals. Examples are fish, crab, duck. Animals that live both on land and in water are called as amphibians. Example is frog, salamander, toads. Let us begin with the adaptation for food habits of animals. It can be classified into four types. The first is herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, and parasites. Let us learn about them one by one. The first is herbivores. Animals that eat only plants, we call them as herbivores. Now, which animals we see around us that eat only grass or plants? Domestic animals such as cow, buffalo, horse, goat, etc. are considered as herbivorous animals or herbivores. Some wild animals such as elephant, deer, giraffe, and rabbit are also the examples of herbivores. These animals, even though they live in the jungle, they eat only plant or grass. What is the special feature of these herbivores? Herbivores have sharp cutting teeth in the front and grinding teeth at the back for chewing. Also, herbivores have hard hooves as a need to walk long distance in search of food and water. Carnivores. Carnivores are the animals that eat only flesh of other animals. Animals such as tigers, lions, foxes, wolves, hyenas are all carnivorous animals. Now, what is the special features of carnivores? If you look at them closely, all the carnivorous animals have sharp nails to hold their prey and very sharp canines to tear the raw flesh. So you see, almost all the carnivorous animals have sharp nails to hold their prey and sharp canines to tear at their flesh. Carnivorous birds. Yes, some birds like eagle, kite, owls, hawks, and even vultures are carnivorous birds. These birds have very sharp eyes to spot their prey easily. Carnivorous birds also possess some special features. All these birds have very sharp beak and equally sharp talons to catch hold of their prey and tear their flesh. So beware. Carnivorous birds have sharp beaks and claws to catch their prey and tear its flesh. Omnivores. Animals that eat plants as well as animals are called as omnivores. Now, which animals come under this category? Crows, cockroaches, bears, and even us. Human beings are omnivores. Think, yes, humans, we eat vegetables and also flesh. So we are omnivores. Parasites. Parasites depend on other animals for their food. Insects such as mosquitoes, fleas, leeches, bedbugs are parasites. Parasites suck blood from our body. Fleas are mostly found on animals and leeches are in water. Some parasites are found inside the animal's body. Roundworm and tapeworm are two such examples. They suck all the nutrition from host animal. Let us move on to adaptation for protection. Animals need to be alert all the time to protect themselves from the enemies. All animals have very sharp sense for hearing, sight and smell. Along with that, they have few other things such as huge size, strong legs, stripes or spots, camouflage, shell or spikes. Let us know about them one by one. Huge size. Huge size scares away most of the enemies. Animals such as elephants, hippopotamus, and rhinoceros are large enough to scare away the other animals or enemies. Even tiger will have to think twice before attacking them. Strong legs. Some animals have strong legs which help them to run fast and away from their enemies and the possible danger. Animals such as gazelle and deer have such strong legs. Stripes or spots. Animals such as tigers, leopards, or even snakes have stripes or spots. They help them to merge with their surrounding. Camouflage. What exactly is a camouflage? When an animal is merged with the surrounding so well we can hardly see them. That we call as camouflage. Now here we can see how the polar bear is merged in the snow, or the fur of Arctic fox is merged with the snow so well we can hardly notice them, and this way they can hide themselves from their enemy. Camouflage. Chameleon is a kind of expert in camouflage. It can change its color according to the surrounding. For example, in the green surrounding, it has changed its body color to green, and in the brown colored soil, it had changed itself into brown. Let us have a quick recap of whatever we have learned so far. Animals that eat plants are called as herbivores. Examples are cow, goat, elephant, rabbit, and many more. Animals that eat flesh are called carnivores. Example, lion, tiger, hyena, and wolf. Animals that eat both plants and animals are called as omnivores. Examples are bear, crow, and us, human beings. Animals that depend on other animals for food are called as parasites. Examples are mosquitoes, leeches, roundworms. For protection, animals can be classified based on their huge size, strong legs, spots, stripes, shells, spikes, and their ability to camouflage.
Amazing camouflage in the sea. First is stonefish. As the name suggests, this fish look like a stone. It matches its surrounding and can sit perfectly still like a rock. They cannot be easily seen by their prey or even divers. They look like a part of a rocky reef, but they're also very poisonous. Second is leaf fishes. Leaf fishes are South American fishes, and as the name suggests, they look like a leaf. They swim in shallow water like fallen leaves and blend in well.